Sending money on Bitstamp can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the Bitstamp website and sign up for an account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Verify your email to activate your account. Step 2. Complete identity verification. Log into your account and complete the identity verification process. This usually involves providing personal information and uploading identification documents to comply with regulations. Step 3. Deposit funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Navigate to the withdrawal section. After your funds are deposited, go to the withdrawal section of your account. Here, you can choose how you want to send money, whether to another Bitstamp user or to an external wallet. Step 5. Enter recipient details. Input the recipient's information, including their wallet address or Bitstamp account details. Specify the amount you wish to send and confirm the transaction. Review all details before finalizing to ensure accuracy. By following these steps, you can successfully send money on Bitstamp. Always double-check recipient details and stay updated on any platform changes for a smooth experience.